Calhoun Community College is a pipeline to North Alabama's welding industry. We partner with the region's top companies to take you from the classroom to a career. You'll enter the workforce quickly, work with your hands, and earn good money. Baby boomers are retiring from skilled labor positions like welding, leaving more job openings and not enough workers to fill them. That means welders are in high demand. Through experienced instructors, you'll gain real, on-the-job skills in Calhoun's state-of-the-art welding lab, including robotic and automated welding, aerospace applications, and advanced industry training.
Hi, my name is Rachel Gleaves. I'm getting an associate's in welding technology. For me, I wanted something to do with my hands, something that's different every day. My worst nightmare would be stuck behind a desk, just sitting doing paperwork all day. So I have autism, anxiety, ADHD, and dyslexia, which can make it hard for me to be in public places sometimes, as well as read and keep up with other people in like academic classes. Once the teachers know, you advocate for yourself with these teachers, they are going to go to the full extent that they can to help you, and no matter what your disability is, they're going to get you through it. I love my professors. If you don't understand something, they're gonna help you out and they're gonna stick with you until you figure it out. The welding program here has definitely prepared me for jobs in the future. They not only give you certifications for welding, they stick with you so you make sure you pass the welding tests on your future job sites, and just make sure your welding inspection class that you can pick out of your own weld what you're doing wrong and learn how to fix it. I would definitely recommend the welding program to anyone that wants a hands-on job that you don't mind getting a little bit down and dirty in, but you can definitely make a good career for yourself in this welding program.
Whether you're in dual enrollment or looking to make a career change, you can earn a degree or choose from 4 short-term certificate options. Let's go to work. Start your career today through the welding program at Calhoun Community College.